Welcome back to our channel, and I here and it's the girl Miriam. So today we'll be doing the kitchen setup cooking setup. Yeah, that was the call, and we'll be showing you how to cook kitchen food. Yeah. And then we got the oven, the sink, the washing thing, the washing machine, we got the fridge, and it can make this noise. It's cool, right? Lights up. So that means you can put a fake cup right here, and when you press it, pretend water's gonna come down. Okay, so I got a cookie and a watermelon, pizza, bread, and we got lettuce. We got milk.
That's butter.
Butter. And we got corn.
Corn.
Butter. And we got
Is corn healthy?
yes.
Corn is healthy.
Yeah. We got tomatoes.
Is tomato healthy?
Yes.
Yes. Is cake healthy?
No.
No.
We got some French fries.
Is French fries healthy?
No.
No, but do they taste good?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then we got
Bread.
and we got some lettuce.
Lettuce. Is lettuce healthy?
Yeah.
Yes.
We got some chicken.
Strawberries. Is strawberries healthy, Price?
Yes.
Yes.
We got this.
Chicken. Ooh, is chicken healthy?
Yeah.
But I guess it depends on how you cook it. Not fried chicken, but baked chicken, right? Or grilled
It's
chicken.
baked chicken. So, hey, what is this? You don't know what it is.
That looks like
You know what
cake.
It's pie.
That's a grape. Let me see, Caleb.
This is a grape. This is a grape.
Oh, this is a toy grape.
That's a
And
real
this is a real grape. Oh my goodness. Okay,
We
Caleb.
got some pie.
Pie. Is pie healthy?
No.
No.
Mommy, I got
What else y'all got in there?
This is donut. Look at
Donut. Let me see a donut, Caleb. Oh. Let me see the donut. Okay, so guys, this is the donut. Ooh, is donut
Now we
healthy?
got some fish.
No.
Look
This
at
is
the
tuna.
icing.
Is
Mom,
tuna
look,
healthy?
Mom, look.
Yes, it is. It's
Mom,
good. It's
Mom,
healthy.
Mom, look, it's 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Turn around. Show everybody.
Oh, yeah, because one is the old and one is the new.
Okay, super kids, these are healthy. Eggs are healthy. Okay.
Mom, a tractor.
I got so much food
Mom,
in
a
here.
tractor.
Let me see. Turn it around.
And then next I got a hot dog.
Cracker. Price already said hot dog. Okay, Price, so tell us, I want Price to show me how, where's your cutting board? Y'all have a cutting board, right?
Yeah, right here.
Price, what kind of foods can you cut today?
Mom, this is ketchup for the meat.
This is ketchup, right? Yep.
Yeah. Where's the black knife? Mom.
Ooh, the carrot's cut in half, you guys.
Mommy.
Wow.
And then
What else you got, Price?
And then mommy.
Miriam's gonna cut the lemon.
We're taking mommy.
Ooh, is this a lemon or apple? This is an apple, you guys.
Apples orange.
This is a yellow apple. Is the apple yellow? But it's yellow. Yeah, some of them are like a yellowish color, a yellow green. Ooh, good job, Miriam. Miriam cut the apple. What else do y'all have got? Ooh, what is this, you guys?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Ooh, y'all got, how many pieces of watermelon do y'all have?
3.
Count them, Caleb. Count the watermelon.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Good job, Caleb. You got 3 pieces of watermelon. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I want, and let's see if y'all can get it right. Okay, my order right.
Look.
Okay.
Mom, chicken.
Ooh, chicken, so yummy. I'm gonna tell you my order. Let's see if we can get my order right. Okay, we got Price is the cook. Miria is the cook. All right, the chef, and Caleb. You gonna be the chef too?
Yeah.
All right, let's soon get my order right. I want some pie, a piece of watermelon,
Look, cheese.
and I would like a piece of bread. I want some corn,
Look.
and I would like to have some, Caleb, I want some cheese too with chicken.
Okay.
Ooh, you got my cheese and my chicken. Thank you. All right, let's see. You got my order right. You got my corn. Check.
Here's your 2 watermelons.
Watermelons. Check, you guys. Pie. Check.
This was your order.
This was my order. Ooh, can I get a plate with my order, please?
Okay.
And price. I think I want pizza too. Let's see if they can bring me some pizza. I want a nice slice of pizza. Ooh, thank you. And he bought me some pizza. Ooh, you guys, look at the pizza.
I'm gonna put it on a plate for you now.
Thank you.
I bought you some apples.
You bought me some apples?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mom, what are you eating?
I really think I would like some tuna too.
Tuna. Oh, here's Mama, I got you bread.
Is something wrong with my pizza and my chicken, you guys?
Chips. Here you go, Here you go. I fixed it.
My chicken and my pizza is cold, you guys. They forgot to warm it up.
I want this microwave. Yeah, this is done too. I'm going to put it in the oven. You guys, I warm it up. Mom, your bread.
Is it warm now, you guys? Ooh, look at all the yummy food.
It's a lot.
That is a lot of food. Ooh, you got me some bread. Ooh, Caleb, I think you gave me, I need another piece of apple.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. You guys, look at all the delicious food they gave me. I have pizza. I have chicken. I got some pie for dessert. I have some watermelon.
Another chef in the building.
1,
Another chef.
2. I got another chef. Ooh, oh my goodness. Carson.
Oh no, guys, we don't have no more food to go for our customers. We have to go shopping. Come on. So, it's a lot of food. So,
You guys, I'm really hungry, but I see I have no more food. I think I would like to have a sandwich, and I think I would like to have lettuce and tomato on it, and I think I want some chicken too and some corn, and I think I want a piece of pie. Can y'all remember all of this?
yeah.
Okay, and I think I would like some fries too with my sandwich. See you later when you get back from the store. And I want chips too. See you later, you guys.
There's a little bit of chips. This is the tomato. We need some bread. We need some cheese, crackers. Don't forget these too. And some tomato and lettuce. And boom. All done. So this is the sandwich I'm gonna be giving.
Chocolate cake. And I would like some pizza. Pizza. I got my lettuce and tomato. French fries. French fries. And I want some watermelon. All the watermelon in the store. And I think I want a crispy donut. And that's it.
Go back. Here's all of your food.
Ooh, I have all my foods, you guys. Carrots. Yummy, big carrots are so healthy.
Chips like the rain.
Chips. Thank you. Got chips, you guys.
Look at your look.
Oh my gosh, you eating all the food? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You eating all the food, you guys. These foods are so yummy.
God.
Look at all the food.
God, don't have to get do this
corn.
Let me see. Mom, we can't eat it. We have to make
Ooh,
it.
rice. I'm full, you guys. Thank y'all. They fed me all the good foods from the store. I think I'm all full.
Pizza. Okay. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell right there.